What up? What up? Just getting everything back up again.
Order filled.
Come on, give me that fucking pop. Just give me a quick pop.
Order filled.
Not happening. I can't be looking. I'm setting this up, so I can't be looking. You need. Oh, there it goes. My bad, guys. Yo, Keith, what up? Dude, I completely agree with you, Keith. I was literally just I was just on the phone when we were up here, and I was like, dude, this is gonna go downtown. This has all the makings of going way down. You're bullish? How am I? I'm doing good. I'm doing really good, actually. I am let's see what we get here, you know? Bum, 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 bum. Hey, listen, maybe we both win. Maybe it comes down, goes up. Maybe it goes up, comes down. You know? Sometimes both sides win, you know? Dude, Keith, wealth charts is not for me personally. I have 3 free accounts. I'm gonna full port them as soon as I get them going. So naturally, we are bullish now. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it's got to get below. I mean, you're riding the 200, so it's not like a great spot to take a massive short in. You know, I'm not going to sit here and say this is the spot to short. But you get up back under this like 45, 46, yeah, you're probably going to see 800. Dude, what is the medicine of hard pain? I didn't even bring that up. Hold on one second. First target is 791. You got some head pain? Bum, 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 bum. Dude, I didn't even get a chance to play with the. I didn't get a chance to play with the other Super Trend script. To be honest with you, I ate and was just doing some stuff around here. I took a shower. You know, Such a good fucking scalp. I hate that I got out real quick. I just don't like that they keep bringing it down and bringing it back up. This should have been a continuation candle. Right here should have been a continuation candle to the downside. I hate when they don't continue and then they bring it back up and consolidate. Right there, that's the line I got for the IB 55. You know what I'm going to do? I think it's funded if I hit right there. So all in, YOLO. We'll see what happens. It's just an eval. I accidentally got hit with I got hit with rebills over the weekend that I don't want. So this amount of accounts is not, I can't manage this amount of accounts. So I have to smash them or pass them. Today's AM session wasn't smooth. No, choppy as hell. I think inflation numbers are out tomorrow, right? All right, so we have core PPI tomorrow. PPI is tomorrow at 6:30. Beige book at 2. That's not going to move it. And then you got CPI is on Wednesday. Dude, if that number is hot, if that CPI number is hot, man, just picture this market is going to be down by like 5% over the next week or two. Oh, dude, tankage. Dude, it's going to throw up on itself. It's just going to yak all over itself. Completely done. What's the target in this year? I talked about this. I honestly think we're going to so I talked about this I've talked about this in the beginning of the year, actually. I think I talked about it for a while. I think we're going to trend lower. I really think we're going to trend lower to like 19,500, 19,000. I think if we get a hot CPI number, we're going to get back into, 19,000 range. Somebody said 16,500 was their target. I don't disagree, but I can definitely see us getting maybe close. No, up maybe tomorrow, go down. I don't know what it's going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh, that was UHAX? Yeah. It's not like I don't disagree or agree. Like I could see it happen. You know, do I think it's going to go that far? I mean, that's a big fucking dump. It's a huge dump. You know, you see 18,000, 17.9. That's kind of what I'm going to start adding to positions once we get into the 19,000s. You know, just start nibbling on the way down because you're never going to catch the bottom. What up, Fred? You're never going to catch the bottom. You know, everybody's like, oh, the bottom, the bottom, the bottom. It's like, bro, you're not going to get the bottom. You're going to get somewhere close. So I took this one right here. Normally I do it the first time. I took this one. The reason I took this one was it was close enough. So the bottom was 55 and this was 45 points. And I took this bounce. After that, I don't take the second bounce, even though I would have got stopped out, to be honest with you. It went, this would have definitely stopped me out. But being that I took this because it was close enough, I don't take the second time. I'm more of the first touch guy. $54 on the day in the options account. The win streak continues. What are you playing, Bo? Just Qs? I also have more conservative downside posted in Discord. Let me bring it up. Damn, this thing's ripping back up. You know, I'll be honest with you. This is why you need to always protect your account, right? I'm just going to show you why you wear protection. The Qs are down 0.62%, right? I'm up today, which means I'm making money as the market is going down. You need to make money both ways or at least protect your account. This was account protection right here. Always protect the account. My bad. I had mine marked wrong. Jeez, where was yours? Yo, it's automated. Full port, it's automated. So I don't know. You don't have to mark anything. Where'd you wait? I'm just curious. Where'd you have it marked at? Did you accidentally take a trade and make money? I have to know. Because that would be awesome if you made money. I hope you made money. But yeah, I mean, once, you know, I said 50 points as a thing, but like, I'm one of those that if we're close enough, I'm going to take it. And then if it works out, I'm out. You know, dude, these 150Ks are interesting. So this right here is a 150K. It's a, you know, it's a PA. I made $600 on it really fucking quick. So also hacks. I'm also possibly thinking about not taking any of those trend trades during the lunch hour. I find that it produces more chop on the trend indicator that you would get, that you would lose money, than to take the trade during like maybe like 12:30 to 2. I just posted it. Here's the ATR targets and rejects. I used to use the ATR script. I don't know why I stopped. To be honest, I used to have a tab that had it on. I used it a lot when I was playing stocks, like when you're playing Tesla and stuff. I used to use it a lot to catch like the bottom for options. This is some serious though. Just range. Just range. Yo, that screenshot. Are you on a phone? Or is that your computer? Super Trend and Beluga is ATR. Yeah. I know what Super Trend is because I saw it in there. I think I'm going to get in on the next alert. I missed this one. And you would have netted your 10 points. You would have definitely netted 10 points, which is all I was kind of looking for. I'm going to play in this account. The next one I'm in this account. And start ripping it. Ripping it. See how it walks the ATR levels down and rejects and then tests the levels? No, I think it works. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Let me see if I have the one I used. It was when I only traded stocks. Let me go to a tab that. Here you go. This is the one that I used. No, this wasn't the one I used. Definitely not the one I used. Guys, if you're not using all different scripts, there's like a ton of great scripts out there to be had, depending on what you're looking for. This guy has some wild stuff. Yeah, this guy, CW. Yo, what up, David? Cove, Apex is running 90% off. How do these guys get that? I don't understand. Don't understand. They got to compete now that Take Profit Traders, the new fucking. Yeah. Well, also take profit traders about to take a lot of their money, like a lot of their money. I mean, listen, like always, man, I want you guys to save, the most amount of money. So if it's 90% off there, then go use it. I'm not sitting here to tell you pay more or anything. Without a doubt, I would it makes sense. You know, don't ever spend as little as possible for these accounts if they're offering you some type of deal. Definitely. You know what I did get? Heard Nutty was pissed at one of his affiliates earlier today. One of his affiliates or another Apex affiliate? Because if it's another Apex affiliate, I know who that Apex affiliate is. Oh, Apex doesn't have 90% off anymore. Okay, well. Anyway, man, I always want you to save the most amount of money. So, yeah, I mean, the activation fee is $85. Yo, Fred, who was yeah, you signed the NDA, I guess. I didn't sign the NDA. I mean, where'd you hear that he was mad at an affiliate? What if you pass on wealth charts? How much is the activation? $85. $85, and I think you're stuck using wealth charts, Keith. On his stream? That's interesting. It's not me, but I have a feeling it's somebody that I know. Oh, not Apex? Oh. I know there was some type of issue in December. Yeah, in December there was an issue because I'm not going to get into it, but if you were there, you were there. Yeah, I don't know. Man, I'll be honest with you. I stick to trading. My sole focus is to make money trading. I try to stay way out of all the prop firm drama and everything else. I'm one of those guys that I stick to myself. I stay friends with most people, and that's it. I just do what I like doing. I like trading. I like hanging out with you guys, and that's it. By the way, yo, I got you guys hooked up too. I got you guys hooked up. You guys always tell me to hit up firms for shit, right? Instead of, hit them up. So we're going to have some take profit trader accounts to give out today. Yo, no problem, Zane. We're going to do some take profit trader accounts. They reached out, and yeah, I mean, I had the option to I had the option to keep them or give them away, and I'm giving them away. So just letting you know. So I got a bunch to give away. We'll spread them out and we'll have some fun. Oh, nice, Fred. Dude, tell him, Alfred. Yeah. So we got a bunch. Yeah, man. I mean, hey, that's what it's about. I try to you guys were always saying like try to reach out to the companies and stuff like that, because obviously I just pay you, I give money out of my own pocket to you guys for the accounts. So they actually reached out and I was like, yeah, man, I'll send it to the guys in the chat. So we'll see what happens. Dude, I just try. Listen, everything I do, I don't charge anybody for anything. And, you know, I come on Saturday and try to give you like the options thing. Like, I don't know. I want to try growing a community of people who are making money and just make the community good. That's all. I appreciate it, Kitty. Dude, you got your trade day funded, 100K to damn. I've never, so I got an account with Trade Day because I was going to be, it was going to be a place I was going to trade. The only reason I didn't was you can only have one account. That's what kind of stopped me. I think I've never heard anybody have an issue with them. That's what stopped me. And then, I mean, look how many fucking accounts I have now. I don't need more, but damn, this thing just, yeah. Dude, when I see Alfred in Vegas, he owes me drinks. Mara, yeah, pretty much. All the PAs are up. I have one PA that's down, actually. It's in my Topstep account. I need to get this guy back. I took a payout out of this account already, so I would like to take a second payout. Yo, Sam, man, that's what I was telling you. We both made money. I shorted it, made money. And then you made money. That's why I'm telling you, two people can make money two different ways. We should definitely do some type of meetup in Vegas. Vegas just seems like the spot. Make a club VIP reservation. Dude, I was at, talking about club, dude, I was at an Indian, like a Sikh Indian, they call it Lordy last night. Dude, it was loud. It was super loud. It was like being in the club. Those guys were, it was loud. Can you pass take profit trader, then trade day is simple for you? I don't know what trade day's rules are. How do you manage to trade that many accounts? So I do copy trade them a lot. What do I think about following consistency rules? You got to follow the rules. Got to follow the rules. Consistency is not, I'll be honest with you, like, you know, like here's a PA, 350. You know, I shoot for like 150 to like 350 on the high end every single day. This PA is a 150. That's why it's $600. But that's it. You don't need to make massive amounts of money every day if you're doing it over a lot of accounts. There's people that trade micros, make a lot of money in micros. I don't know. I don't trust this. It feels like we're gonna just chop into tomorrow's CPI is what it feels like. That's what this feels like, is just a chop into CPI. Yeah, that'll work. I've seen people use one or two micros and make a ton of money. They're just holding for the bigger move. You know? Oh, by the way, bank earning season starts. I don't know if you guys are aware, earnings are starting to come up. So get ready. Oh, am I going to take the 34 bounce? Really fucking tight. Super, super tight. No, fuck that. I thought we were just going to keep staircasing up. So I might take this. I'm actually going to take this with 2 contracts. Dude, I don't understand what these PAs, I had like no money left in them. So I don't understand how I have any money. This PA's drawdown is $100. This is smash or pass right here. I'm just going to wave goodbye to this one. It's been good, my friends. Deuces. Oh, just won't let it lie in peace. Bye-bye. Yeah. Some of these are just so far gone. You know, $52. What am I supposed to do at $52? Yo, imagine I bring this back from $52. Yeah, I'm just getting rid of these. I thought I blew them all, actually. This has $57. I like, they only have, their drawdowns are so small. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, wow. So this just triggered, actually. Fuck. This just triggered to the downside. Bring it back from $52 and you were in God mode. Yeah. You know how long it would take me to bring it back from that? So that script triggered to the downside, but I didn't take it. We're so oversold right here. I might take it right here. I'm looking. I don't think I've ever brought any account back from like, I think the lowest I got was like $200. Fuck yeah. That was nice. That was $145 right there. A lot more where that came from. Yeah, 500, you could still do damage with 500. But when you're stuck at like 100, you need to catch the bottom of like something like this where you actually get, you know, a good move. This looks like a Head and Shoulders so bad, doesn't it? Head and Shoulders. Yeah, 10 scalps in a row. Imagine they go all the way down. You've saved accounts with $2? You're better than me, man. Just to be safe. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Man, I got some tea. I don't know. I'm on tea now. No more coffee. Oh, I gotta. Come on. Come on. Dip it for daddy. That is not what I had in mind. Free longs? NZT 48? Why does that seem so familiar? What is that? Come on. That's it. The Limitless movie. Yeah, yo. Oh, my God. I knew it. I was like, dude, that movie was so good. Nope, this is gonna rip. I haven't seen that movie in a while, but when he starts licking that guy's blood, it's freaking crazy. Shoulders, shoulder. Did I get stopped at the high? Shoulders. Oh, man. Come on. Sucks that they couldn't at least bring it down here. Would have made it too easy. Would have made it way too easy. I'm telling you, with CPI tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if we're in this zone for the next hour. I think CPI was hot last time too, right? CPI. Yeah, so previous was 2.6. Here, I'll show you exactly what's going on. You tell me what you think. Up, up, up. Last couple quarters have been going, last couple months going up. That next one is up again. Woo! It'll be hot. Oh, CPI is Wednesday. PPI is tomorrow. Okay. I mean, PPI could be hot also. It's gonna be a wild ride. That I can tell you. Oh, I just realized I oversized in an account that's only a 50K. Oversized. Come on, flag it and break it. Flag it. So this is, man, tomorrow's going to be an interesting number. I will say tomorrow and Wednesday are probably going to be the most interesting reads for the entire year because it's going to set the tone. If the number is hot, it will set the tone for the rest of probably the first half of this year. Smoked. If it's hot, we are going to be in a huge issue. If it's cool, this dip that we're having is going to rip right back up. 22,000 incoming. That's what I'm calling for. We'll make this whole dip right back up. I'm kind of hoping it's hot and we dip because I think there's much more room to the downside, and I'd like to buy. Cove, do a duck race for only people watching now. We're going to be giving away take profit trader accounts. Yo, I reached out. Have some fun with it. Man, the chop is real. Yeah, I mean, everybody's big complaint was the daily loss limit. Now you don't have to worry about it. Go back to the 1 to 2 minutes to enter. I mean, we're not going anywhere. I was actually just cleaning up all these, like, this account has $57 left. You know, just BS PAs that had, you know, there's 3 PAs with $100 or less. I got rebilled a fuck ton by Apex over the weekend, which was not very cool. Yo, what up, Flip? Flip, Flip. What up? What are you doing? You know what I just realized? I gotta find Darrell, thanks you for your pinchers. Just 80% off coupon. Dude, I forgot about those 80s off. Yo, like he couldn't hit me with a 90 off? This market is brutal. I think they're just chopping away. Is brutal. Chopping away, waiting for the Asian sesh. I can't stand Asia. Yeah, Marco, I'm with you. Yo, Design Knob, you ain't kidding. I thought about that. I was like, what are you guys doing? I blew 3 evals in Asia. Bro, Asia's rough. The problem with Asia is just doesn't get much action. I don't understand why. Like, why are we not moving around? Somebody said Oh, that's wealth charts probably, Akram. Apex was giving out. Yo, I traded wealth charts for 1 day, and they gave me 3 free accounts. I got 3. I didn't even do anything. I copy traded. This is an all-in event. This is all in. After blowing 100 PAs with Apex, I just learned last week that I was getting those. Oh man, Fred, that's hysterical. Somebody used that 80% off code when there was a 90% deal going off. Who do I copy trade? I have Ninja Trader. I use Replicanto. I'll bring it up for you. For whatever reason, dude, I didn't know the Apex thing this morning was everybody. So I thought it was just me. So I restarted my computer and I still haven't brought all my software up. So stupid. I like trading my Bullnox accounts out of this, to be honest with you. Akram, you shorting? Best of luck. Oh, flip. Yeah, you ain't kidding. You and me both. I can't get my personal account up with I have an AMP personal account and I can't get it up with AMP. You do not get money back. It's 50% off, and they're doing no daily loss limit now. Yeah, there's an activation fee. Yep. Yes, there's an activation fee. Dude, I told everybody in the chat that you should get Take Profit Trader accounts right now. Because obviously I knew I knew something was coming last week on Wednesday. And I was telling everybody, yo, get these accounts, and nobody wanted to get them. And now everybody wants to get them. Should have listened to Cove last week. I knew everybody was going to want them. Yeah. Yo, if you bought them last week from Black Friday through last week, you're grandfathered in. Don't cancel the accounts. If they rebill, you'll still keep them. But yeah, I knew that everybody was going to want them. I was like, guys, yeah, I knew it was coming, Eminem. That's why I was kind of like, yo, you guys, I made a lot of videos about it too, a lot of posts. I was trying to, you weren't allowed to say anything, so I couldn't tell you what the deal was. But I was throwing it out there that you should get these accounts. Because I knew everybody would want them now. I'm sure they'll come up with something soon. I mean, I'm hoping they do. I like no activation fee, so we'll see what happens. I knew on Wednesday. Scammers and schemers. I got wind even before Wednesday that they were in the talks of doing something, but you know, when you get wind of something, it could be months. That's like Apex has been talking about doing a straight to funded option. They've been talking about it for a while. No daily loss limit. Nah, design knob. It was a hard limit. So if you hit the daily loss, you lost the account. Yeah, that daily loss was a hard loss. Not a not they stop and you use the account tomorrow. That was your account was gone. We're changing the rules to make you a better trader. Oh, yeah. I know what you're saying now. I get it. I get it. Very few people stop though. No, now you go until it's over. It's cheaper to buy 25K, 50K without using the promo code. How is that cheaper? You save 50% with a coupon code. How is paying 100% cheaper? Unless I'm missing something. They're definitely pushing to be a bigger firm this year. Without a doubt. They are pushing to be, you know, something. Yeah, I mean they definitely have a high activation fee. I think with 50%, the accounts are what, $85 now on a 50? Yeah, I don't think the guy knew what he was talking about. There's an activation fee. I agree, but you could flip contracts and just be done with. Like you could be done and just flip. Anything more than 1 day is just a pain. I'm with you though. All activation fees are the same with Take Profit Trader. Yep. That's the issue with Bullnox. The activation fee goes up. So anything over a 50K account, you do not want in there. This thing looks like it's going to lose it. It's going to lose itself like Eminem. Come on. Yo, you ain't kidding, man. I passed one of those one time, not realizing what the payment was. And I was like, nah, you guys can keep that. You guys, it's on the house. You guys can have it. I want nothing to do with it. Yo, it was expensive. I think we got a ride or die right here. I'm willing to let it ride. This is just an eval, by the way. So if anyone's like, oh my God, it's just an eval. This isn't like a funded account trade, to be honest. Dude, they should just go to 1 day to pass and let us just demolish the accounts. Come on. I should have taken the $500. Once Instagram has no activation fee, who's buying? Well, that's, you know. Cove's full porting for the boys. I'm hoping to get a push up. I'm hoping and praying. I might take this right here in this pump. Pump, 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 pump. I feel like it's got a lot more left in the tank. I'm just swapping. I'm trying to swap to some other account that. There, I like it like this. So I can see how much money I need in each one. That's how I like it. So I can see where I'm at. Come on. You can do it. Oh, come on. You want to test the high right there. You know you want to. I want you to. You want to. Like, let's just do it. Just test the high. JPE. How much am I up or down total? In just my PA, in just my funded accounts or everything? Because in just my funded accounts, I have $1,400 in my funded accounts right here. Doing some quick math. And the evals. Well, that's an eval. I don't know. I don't know. See, the evals to me are not, you know, like, did I really trade to make $1,200? Like, I'm just being honest with you, JP. Like, I could tell you I made $1,200 here, right? But let's be real. If this was a funded account, would I have traded that like that? The answer is no. You know, like, I would not have traded 5 contracts there. I just wouldn't have, because it's not realistic. So to turn around and say I made all this money is wrong, because I didn't. You know, that's why, you know, I made $1,400 in PA accounts here. That's actually real trading where I'm picking spots that I think would net me the best results. You know, throwing in, going all in on an eval is not, doesn't constitute of winning to me personally. You know, I could see if you were trading it for real, but I was not. Honestly, trading this market is prop firm dream. Yo, you ain't kidding. A lot of people getting smoked. A lot of people getting smoked, without a doubt. I mean, it's just been chop. I mean, look where we're at, 908. I mean, we were almost at 908 at 1 o'clock. We've gone nowhere for 2.5 hours. Yo, what up, Corey? Yo, you set that up, Corey? I traded my PA like an eval and almost lost all of it. So now I'm only trading 1 micro. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying is, you know, I don't want to sit here and say I made more money than I did if I'm not trading them as if it was real money. Just trying to keep it real. Yeah, I just dropped that thing. Yo, set it up, brother. Yo, once you do, you're going to wish you did like days ago. Make sure to fill out all the information and upload photos and everything too, man. And if you need any help, man, you know I'm here to help you. That's what it's about. Oh, hold on 1 second. My kids are home. I got to answer the door. Hold on. Oh, what up and back? My kids get home every day around this time and the freaking door's locked. So I gotta let them in. Do a little 200 bounce. Not only do you have a 200 bounce, you're going to test this wick right here, these two. I kind of like it. Oh, I'm not going to get it. Not going to do it. Yeah, Corey. Yeah, it'll help you get more customers. Help you get a lot more customers. I'll help you out, dude. Just looking to see what I want to do. Down 3K in one account looks familiar. Yeah, I think I blew it, actually. Dude, they're going to get me to... They're going to get me to blow accounts without a doubt. Now, I need to get over on... I need to get over on it without a doubt. Can anyone give me $50? Dude, what do you need $50 for? I'm curious. Now that the cat's out of the bag, what do you need $50 for? We're all curious. $20 is $20. That's what they say on Craigslist. I do need 5 take profit trader accounts, man. You ain't kidding. I got this 25K account. I'm going to play tomorrow news because they're evals. You could play news with Take Profit Trader. I want to get back in low. Cave bro, give me $50. I lost my whole amount. How'd you? I used to know a hooker named 2050. Yeah. I do not have $50, but maybe Corey wants to set up a GoFundMe for you. Yo, full port. I need 150 to activate my XFA. Bro, you got to see the emails I get. The emails I get are wild. Yo, can I get $1 million, Cove? Yeah. Damn. This thing's not going to go anywhere. I think we're just going to play around here for a while. Cove, I think he's being serious. Dude, I give away stuff like every day. So you can't even like look at me and be like, oh, he never gives back. Like literally, I send people money almost every day on the stream. I try to, you know, and I don't even know him. Maybe if it was somebody. So somebody that was on the stream a lot one time said that he was on the stream so much. I thought he was trading, to be honest with you, but he wasn't. He was like learning. And I asked him one time, like, you know, who are you trading with? He's like, oh, I don't have an account yet. And I literally just bought him an account. I just sent the money and was like, hey, man, go start trading. But, you know, I can't just do it every single time. I get hit up all the time. Yeah, I mean, that's how it should be, to be honest. I mean, you know, that's how it should really be. It's definitely a lot of gambling. Listen, you put the odds in your favor. That's all you could really do is put the odds in your favor, and you make a decision based on that. But if anybody knew 100%, they would go all in. His hand stuck. Dude, I can't give you 50 bucks. First of all, if I gave you 50 bucks, I would have to give everybody 50 bucks. And to be honest with you, I don't actually know who you are. This is the first time you've ever been on the stream. You know, like if somebody I knew for a while was like, hey, I need 50 bucks for whatever reason, like not for a trading account, but like, hey man, I got no money for food. I send you the money for food, you know, but that, you know, I'm just being real. Yeah, oh my God, full port. What about meth money? Are we going to go in on it? Am I getting a percent of that if we start making it? Dude, that meth money is where it's at, probably. Breaking Cove. Yeah, I know, Alfred. I know. Meth kind of fell out of the market. Dude, if you're in like West Virginia, I feel like up in the mountains is where you get like meth and like moonshine. Nope, not gonna come hit me. Awesome. Did I get filled anywhere else? No. Trading bad. Scam the bank. Fake name. Take out that loan. Yo, I love to see the new crypto saying is, you know, buy this coin, go into debt if you have to. I'm like, what? It's so funny that they say that all the time. That's like their new saying. Like it used to be probably nothing. Now it's go into debt. Buy this coin, go into debt if you have to, or something like that. I think that's what it is. It's ridiculous. Oh man. I mean, we're not going. This is like torture here. I wonder if we get a massive move here end of the day. Somebody front runs it.
Order filled.
I'm just looking for a quick scalp. I would have taken 40 bucks, to be honest with you. Boom. You added to the short. It's looking like the market wants to hit 21,000 again. It feels that way.
Order filled.
This is where I lose all my money in the chop. There has to be an indicator that just tells you that it's chop and like locks my keyboard. It doesn't allow me to buy anything.
And he swallowed his gum.
It's called EMA coiling. Anything less than 2,000 is terrific with 1 mini. Yo, just straight up locked your keyboard. Dude, Michael Saylor just keeps buying crypto. It's so crazy to me. It's crazy that they allow him to just keep buying crypto like wherever he wants. See, this is the bigger time frame right here. This is the 15. That's what I don't have. Oh, geez. You know what I don't have? Look at this.
Order filled.
You know what I don't have? I'm going to set up is I had all the different time frames here, and I don't have that anymore. If you guys didn't know, you could do this. I don't know if you guys know that. 15 and the 1 hour. And then I want to add indicators. I just want I just want to see where we're going to be trading into. That makes sense. I buy $9 of BTC a day. Do you really? I've never used Bookmap. I can't get Bookmap to work for me. Like I don't. The problem with Bookmap is you could spoof orders. Like people will put orders in, take them out, put them in, take them out. And that's my issue with Bookmap. Dude, I'm about to blow this fucking
Order filled.
out. So awful. I'm just getting cooked here. Like I just got stopped out at the bottom. And it's coming all the way back. My best bet's probably just stay out. No, I can go down to minus 535. So I got about $600 worth of drawdown. Yeah, it's just Bookmap is weird. I mean, obviously you don't see it all. Hodling, baby. I'm going to start buying BTC if it comes back into the 70s. I don't know if it will, but The one thing I don't like is we're not making higher highs. Lower high, lower high. We're riding under 900 right now. I tried using a footprint chart. I sucked at it.
Order filled.
I'm probably going to fucking lose. Don't follow that. Do not follow that. I'm just, everything I do in that account, I would fade that account, actually. Fading the Topstep account that I have is just where it's at. Yeah. Dude, everything I do in that account, like I was long and got stopped out. Add 2 more minis to be safe. Dude, everything I do in that account goes against me. You know, on the higher time frames, it looks like we're stalling out. $15-minute came back up in this fair value gap and rejected it. It feels like we're going to trade back. Man, that's a far away 50. Just banging into Friday's lows. Dude, that's what I had on my chart. Oh, dude. Prepare the offerings. Dude, this sucks, but I had I had a couple of them. Previous day, high and low. I got to add that all back to this chart, actually. I mean, we haven't gone anywhere. Nowhere. Two seconds better. I think they're waiting for the numbers tomorrow and the next day. Got numbers out tomorrow morning. Dude, you know what I might do? What's up, Kim? For the guys that are on the stream, yo, what if I stopped? What if I stopped having...
Order filled.
What if I closed the duck race at 4 o'clock? So it's just for the people who are on the stream during the day. What do you guys think about that? I'm going to have you vote on it. Because I know you guys complain about like random people swinging by after. Duck race in Discord? I don't know how to do it. Yo, the take profit trader news is there's no more daily loss limit. Damn, I just got fucking stopped again. This account smoked. It's so funny. If I held my long, I would have been. Oh, look at that. I got top ticked, and now it's all the way back down. Looks like that's what's going to happen. Duck race will end at we'll do the duck race, but we'll end entries at 4 o'clock.
Order filled.
Damn, my phone's going to die.
Order filled.
Wow, I just got myself some breathing room. That was just some breathing room. Can you imagine the days when minis were micros and the tick on the NQ is $50? Dude, a lot has changed. A lot has changed over the years. Yo, I got $225. I think I need the next trade to be a winner is what I need. The next trade has to be like a $200, $300 winner. I was there for E-mini launch from SPU, big contract. Dude, I don't even know what year was that. I remember way back that everything was up by like an eighth of a point. What was it? An eighth, half, quarter. I think an eighth, everything was like that. It wasn't even pennies. Oh. The Philly Stock Exchange? I don't remember that. Dude, that was so crazy. If I just stayed in fucking long and let it just move. I remember I was trying to get long right here. Never got filled. Dude, that's somebody banking on tomorrow. That's somebody saying, hey, tomorrow's going to be good. That's what that is. Yeah, Colin. Yep. What do we think? We think they're just going to squeeze it into close? Dude, pre-market, it was getting crushed like at 7 o'clock. I think they push it back up. Short to fill it back in. The old backfill. There you go. Let's see. I'll scalp it for you. Nope. They're going to rip this thing all the way into close. So I got an eval that just I don't really give a shit about. Let's see if I could I'm going to see if I can just rip this one. I think they're going to push it up. If I can get a fill at like 23, that'd be awesome. Just create a nice little flag, and then they're going to break it. Oh, I'm thinking about it. I don't have all my contracts yet. I'm just waiting. This is an all-in situation, by the way. This is whatever happens, happens. Close enough. Close enough. Woo! It was just, yeah, what did I say? Dip to 23, we dipped to 18. I'm just seeing if I got another eval that come on, come back down to 39 maybe. Yo, Colin. I wouldn't be surprised if they just freaking rip this thing. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. I only have 3 contracts, so I could buy 2 more on the low. Just got a nice push. Come on, we were just up 10 points higher. Come on. Yo, full degen. Yo. I mean, I'm not going to trade a funded account here because obviously it's not with the rules that I look for, but I do think that we can come back down and just ride this 9 up at the end of the day. Dude, I was down $600 today, and they turned this shit right the fuck around. That's a nice day. Almost 1,200. Always degen, never undegen. What's crazy is I'm up today nicely, but the market is technically down. The market's down almost 0.25%. I mean, listen, if you're in, take profits, you know, definitely take profits if you're in. Do not just sit here because I'm sitting here. You know, if you're up, grab profits, you know. I might take profits if it pops again, only because we have 1 minute left. Who's going to play the short into close? Watch this. Watch this dump right into close. I could be 100% wrong here. Just throwing it out there. Watch the market close and absolutely poop its pants. Oh, got me fucking. I'm just going to take the peanuts. Yo, who gave you that fucking strategy right there? Did you just see that shit? Did you just see that shit just dump? It always does that, by the way. Right? Like 10 seconds. If we run up like that much into close, the last 10 seconds is just a massive sell-off. Massive sell-off. That wasn't that massive, though. What was that? Like 20-something points? I thought we were going to see like 19, 20 right here. I thought we were going to get like a 40-pointer. Whatever. We all made some money. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. All right, I'm closing the duck thing shortly. Everybody wants me to close it. I'm closing it in 1 minute. You got 1 minute, I'm closing it. You got 35 seconds. because we're just going to stop random people that come in here is what happens. I have no idea. It's all automated, Kim. It's all automated. I don't touch anything. This isn't. Yeah, it's all automated. I have no idea who's in and who's out. All right. I just thought it was a good way to do it. To Kim, I'll add you. Kim's been here for ages. I'll have to add you manually though. Pete. It just keeps everybody from coming in here after and diluting the stream. I don't know how to do it in Discord, man. I don't know how to do it. If you show me, you could, dude, I'll add you as a mod. I don't care. I don't know how to do it. I am the most Discord like newbie that there is. I don't know anything about Discord, but I thought it was a good place that like people can share screenshots and I do have a surprise. We're going to be giving away a Take Profit Trader account or a couple of them. Is that not a good surprise, Flip? Take Profit Trader accounts? They reached out to me and basically I had 10 accounts to either trade with so I could trade on the stream and show you, or I can give them out. So I'm going to give them out. So we're going to do a couple today, a couple tomorrow, and a couple Wednesday. Right? It's the way to do it. I'm going to fill up my water real quick. I am freaking parched. My throat's like killing me. BRB. Oh, it's nice and cool. Oh my God, I'm back. No mod. Yeah, Take Profit are lit. Yo, that's what it's about. You're going to add a guy with hacks in their name as a mod? What's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could happen? I'll be honest with you. He's been sharing a lot of information. I will say Trader Hacks has been definitely sharing a ton of info and whatnot. So if he wants to, it's up to you. It's up to him. If he wants to, I'll add him. He wanted me to add another channel in there. So yeah, all good. Well, first of all, the big news today was obviously Take Profit Trader getting rid of the daily loss limit. I knew about that last week. And then also, we're going to give away a bunch of Take Profit Trader accounts. Yo, Folly, I got 3 and I never did it. I signed up and then traded one day. We can always dox him. Jeez. Wall charts is ass. Yo, it reminds me of that song, ass, 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 the Nicki Minaj song. How often? Not often. I usually just pay out of my own pocket. I don't know, but I got 10 accounts to give away, so I'm gonna start unloading them. So I think we're gonna do yo, remember that song, Corey? Yo, I know someone's like, dude, I can't believe you just did that. I got my speakers on, but man, once that song's in your head, it's stuck. Stuck. But yeah, we're gonna do take profit trader. I'm gonna set it up in 3 minutes. They have no daily loss limit now. Yeah, I don't know. I can't spell it. She does Discord giveaways. I would have to look to see how I do it. But that's the big deal. They got 50% off now, and they have no daily loss limit. That's like the big deal. No daily loss limit's amazing. Are we just gonna grind up? All right, I gotta set this stuff up, man. It's always all right. Should I take the long? I was thinking about it. I'm not. I got to do this. I got to use. I don't know, man. Should I? For the boys. For the boys. Yo, I appreciate the support of the channel, without a doubt. Oh, baby. I kind of want to just get out, though. You're in? For the boys. Oh, man. All right, I'm going to set this up. I got to do the math here because oh, this was good today. All right. So here's the deal. I'm just letting you guys know the deal before I start running this thing. If you are in it multiple times, you can only win one account. So I'm just letting you know. So you can only win one account. So because if you're on the morning stream and you have an extra duck, you can only win one account here. I'm going to take this. That was a nice little pop. Before I get into it, anybody that's new on here, we stream every day, 10:30 till noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30, 5 o'clock. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It works with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, and a lot of the other places. And that's what, well, except for today, that is what allows me to give away accounts, is I give it back to you guys. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? I can't. I'll get out when you get out. There we go. Bro, we just made some money, man. Yo, what better way to end the day making a quick scalp after hours? All right, we're going to do 3 accounts today. Three accounts today. We'll do 3 accounts tomorrow. And then we'll do 4 on Wednesday. Dude, there's only one way to start this off, to be honest with you. Oh man, I'm having trouble setting this up. Why is it
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
it's too much winning. Oh, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? Two per day for a week of Take Profit Trader giveaways. I'll throw my own money in and take on Friday. That's fine. Let's go. Dude, I don't even think I put myself in it. I got a hat. Walter the Goat. Where's the Trump duck? They didn't give me a Trump duck? There's so many ducks off the screen right now. How do they not have the Trump one? That guy has never won. Yes, JP. Oh, visible, you're gonna win. Hold it. Hold. Oh, Joe, look at you, you little baker, you. Well, hold on 1 second. You got 2 minutes to claim this. Is Joe in here? Is Joe in here? Oh man, Joe, you got till 4:14.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, okay. Joe, you got to email me right here. Joe finally won something fair and square. Oh, jeez. Yo, let's go. I'm doing crappy service.
Come on.
Dude, there's 99 ducks in this thing. Oh man, there's too many ducks.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Let's go. Who do we got? Who do we got? 99 problems, but a duck ain't one. Damn, Kim, you almost won that. Is Carl Torres here? Carl. Tell me you're here, Carl. You got till 4:18. Otherwise, we rerun it. The show goes on. You got 1 minute. Yo, somebody's signing into their 8th account right now.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
There he is. Yo, damn. I've seen Carl in here before, though. Carl's not new here. Carl's been around for a little bit. I want to say since the new year. Well, shoot me an email, dude. Quack, quack, baby. Let's get going. Dude, I don't think I put myself in again. Is that me? There's too many ducks. There's freaking 99 ducks in here. Quack. Come on, baby. Nah, you want to be in the back, JP. That's where it's at. If you're out front right now, you're probably not going to win. Oh, there you are. I meant you have a great chance of winning, JP. Dude, no kidding. Dude, he's won a little bit. You got to 421. You got to 421. Shoot me an email. Oh, damn. The Vikings versus Rams are tonight. I'll watch that. I will watch that. Oh, man. He's here, sadly. Congrats. Sadly, he's here. You got Vikings winning? Dude, it's going to be... Imagine... I can't believe... Dude, Tampa losing was crazy. I thought the Commanders were a one-and-done team. The fact that they won is wild. All good. You're welcome. Vikings. It's going to be a rough one. It's going to be a good game. I'll be watching it for sure. Dude, this is just flagging up here for another. This is flagging for a third leg up. Let's see if we get it. Is that on the handoff when they fumbled? Dude, the Steelers just couldn't do it. What are the big news events this week? There's PPI tomorrow morning at 8:30. There's CPI on Wednesday at 8:30. And that's gonna set the tone, man. That's really gonna set the tone. The fumble crushed him. Thursday, you have jobless claims. You also have import price index. And you have Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey. I wonder how much import price is going to move it. You also have retail sales on Thursday at 8:30. There's a bunch on Thursday at 8:30. And then Friday, building permits, housing. The big ones are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday's going to be like right there. Yeah, Keyson, one way or the other, you're going to get a big move tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, you're going to, the snap count was off on that. Yeah. I just think that, I think you're going to get a massive move tomorrow and the next day. The candles are going to be huge. It's just going to be one big, it's just going to be one massive thing the next couple of days. So if you're trading, get ready for it because it's going to be large. Did I blow this account? I think I blew it, right? I blew that. The rest of them. I think I could actually take a payout from this account. I don't even know. I know I did 5. I know I did 5 days of 100 or more. Dude, I saw that, man. I saw that. That was crazy. Yo, Baker's a good player, man. I don't think he's a Super Bowl caliber quarterback, but I think he's a very good player where they should have made it at least one to the next round. I can run another duck race with just you. Baker, yeah, I think Baker's just good in general. I think he needed out of Cleveland. I think he needed out of Cleveland. And I think but I don't think he's ever gonna win a Super Bowl. I think he could if he was on like a really, really good team where he was on like, I don't know, like argument's sake, like that Seattle Seahawks when they had the Legion of Boom. Like, I feel like you didn't need a great quarterback to win. It was all on your defense. So I think like he would be obviously be good enough to win on that team, but I don't think he's could take Tampa with what they are and win a Super Bowl. I don't know where he ranks, but if I had to rank him, he's probably like, I don't know, the 8th to 10th best quarterback in the league. You know, he's not a bad quarterback, but he's definitely not like a top 7 guy. Yeah, I mean, they need pieces. You know, definitely need pieces. You know, there's a couple teams that are like that where, you know, you just add a couple pieces and they're really good. Yeah, well, that doesn't surprise me. His numbers were huge. Like, his numbers were massive this year. I just don't think that in general, like, you take him as a whole, I don't think he's you know, a top 5 quarterback. I don't really like have a favorite team, to be honest with you. I just like watching football. Like I'll watch any game. I totally need to try some My Funded Future accounts with my code. So the code gives you 5% off. If you don't use the code because they have some other code and you still want to give me credit, just click on my link first. Got Ravens winning it. Woo! I got Detroit winning it all. You think Tampa next year? He's on par with Jalen. I don't know. I like Jalen because if you got like 1 yard, I feel like Jalen could push it in because he's basically like a running back. The problem with the Ravens is, you know, they have the worst pass defense in the whole league, right? And they do really well as long as they're winning. It's when they fall behind, their pass defense is awful, and they can't run the ball with Henry, and they just lose. Ravens are a team that has to get out ahead. They need the ball first. They need to score, and they need to be ahead. If they fall behind, I just don't see them as winning it. Are the starter accounts only 50Ks? Yes. Yep. They're running a deal with the other ones, the starter plus, but I think it's going to be more money though. I only use the starter accounts, to be honest with you. I'm starter only. I use starter only. It's just they've given up the most. I just looked at it. NFL ranked passing defense. Ravens 31st. They give up 244 yards a game. Eagles, best passing defense in the league. I didn't realize the Commanders had such a good one, or the Titans. The Titans is like that because they would get blown out and the other teams just run. There's no consistency rule when you get funded. No consistency rule when you get funded. That's the big plus. Dude, Eagles are looking good, man. I wanted them to go back in the Super Bowl when the two Kelsey brothers were going for the second, the year he was going to retire. And they were like 11-1, and then they just shit the bed. Completely shit the bed. That was last year. Yeah. Do I have Bills beating Ravens? I have Bills beating Ravens. Dude, Bills don't even strike me as a good team. They just win. Yeah, Jalen's fun to watch. Dude, I just want to chow down on some wings. Oh, no problem, Carl. I'll get back to everything after hours. I'll email you later on in about an hour. I'll email you. Bills have no, or let me see if I can just fucking do it now. Let me see. Hold on. Because I know what's going to happen later on. My Forex screen. What up? The only thing I'm scared of, dude, the Lions look really good. Like, they look really good. I like the Lions. I like the Lions a lot. All right, let's see. I only got 2 emails. Oh, Joe's got to email me. Joe hasn't emailed me yet. Yo, I emailed you back just now, by the way. I figured I'd just do it now. Get the ball rolling here. Who's left? Who? I think the Chiefs had the best defense in the playoffs. That's scary. Yeah, Chiefs are really good. Chiefs are really good. Yo, you got 2 minutes. We're gonna run this shit one more time for whoever hung out late. The show goes on. Whoever's in, we'll do it again. Throw it in. Throw it in. In 2 minutes, I'll close it. So it's just whoever's here before. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I have to do poker. I have to do poker. I have to do it. I have it all set up. Yo, I gotta ask Mrs. Cove when I can do poker. Maybe I'll do it Thursday. Yo, I just try to be true, just want to be fun and hang out. All right, I'm closing this up because whoever just did it, I don't want people signing on multiple accounts. So, yo, what up, Justice? I know. I've been saying it. I'm like the worst. Damn, Zadia. Zadia, I'll just add you. Don't worry. That's why I'm always listening. Yo, Zadia, I'll add you. All right. Seems like everybody that's in here is in here, right? Everybody's in. You got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 closed. Oh, Bobby, you're on a fucking delay. Oh, you guys are all killing me. There's nobody else. Nobody else. Fuck, you guys are like killing me here. Dude, you guys are killing me. Flip it to, dude, I can't even do it. It's like, dude, I'm doing them all later on anyways. This is like crazy. We're giving away 10 Take Profit Trader accounts, and plus we're going to do other accounts this week. There's more than enough. Dude, you guys are crushing me. I don't want to do it manually and start typing. Oh. This thing fucks my whole computer when I do it manually. Oh. Let's see. And then I'm leaving, guys. I gotta go fucking eat dinner. I gotta go do a bunch of stuff. I just figured whoever was on as a bonus. We'll just do another one. I'm just looking at this shiznick. $35 seconds. Where's the Trump Duck, man? The Trump Duck hasn't won one time. I want to do a bounty for whoever's the Trump Duck and wins. Gets something. I'm going to do something like that. Whoever's the Trump Duck and wins gets something. I think that's fair. So nice of the Apex guy to get back to me now about my fucking Apex not working. Yo, shoot me an email. I have to go eat. I got to go make dinner. I got to go do stuff with my kids. I got to do a bunch of things. Yo, we rolled out another one for whoever was around. So we randomly did it. All right, I got to go. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 10:30 in the morning. If not, see you at 2 p.m. Peace.